Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Smile, right there, smile. Smile, it's right there on camera, buddy. Right there. Hello, right there. It's right here. It's right here on camera. Smile, right there.
When it comes to restaurants, whatever Gwen touches turns to gold. Look at Ohana. You wouldn't believe how many awards she's won. Just good luck, Gwen said. And an insane work ethic, Krista said. The first time I laid eyes on Gwen was at one of her restaurants in Maryland. It was right after
eyes buzzed around his body. Of Wolf, there was little left. His bones had been picked over. I noticed that his lord's hand and had not been heavy. I love
people are stupid.
Oh, dual turn fail. I hate that.
Oh God, that is exactly what I thought it was. Holy shit.
Oh my God! What the hell?
What the fuck?
37.5 at the very heart of it all. Commit everything you do to the Lord. Trust Him.
sira ulo? Ba't puro sira ulo ngayon?
Dalawa yung may papasa mo.
You must somehow support this horrendous status quo that has white supremacy baked into it, that led to this terrible thing that was the polarizing and
Cold War and the nuclear arms race and so on, because for all the faults of Soviet communism,
Yep. Look both ways.
Ask her if she's cool with that. Hey, Mom, you okay?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.